Welcome back to the MeshCore channel, guys. Right, if you've been trying to get set up with MeshCore and you found it a little bit confusing, then this should make things a lot easier. So if you head over to the website, you'll now see this set up your device button here. This is the easiest way to get started. This takes you into the MeshCore configurator, and from here it just walks you through everything step by step. So you can see this first step here we've got is set up your device. So just click on that, and the first thing you do here is just pick your device. So say for example you're using a Heltec V3. We're in the Heltec section here. Click on V3, then you've just got to choose how you want to use the device. For most people, you'll just want companion Bluetooth. That's the standard setup if you're connecting to your phone. So just click on that. Now, I've plugged the device in already. You can see here we've got companion Bluetooth, the latest firmware version, which is 1.15. And all you've got to do is just literally hit install firmware. Now you'll see a few options on here if you've got other things connected. I know it's this one here, so I'm going to hit that, connect, and basically that's going to flash the device and set it up. Once that's done, you can hit continue here and it will say flash is complete. Would you like to configure this companion radio now? So this is the next step. So we're going to hit connect via Bluetooth. Up here you'll see your devices. I've got some other ones again here. I'm going to hit pair on this one, and what it'll ask you to do is enter the pin which is shown on the screen of the Heltec right now. So I'll just do that quickly. We're going to hit connect, and this will now connect to the Heltec V3. So this allows you to do a quick setup of your device before you connect it to any app or anything like that. So you can give your device a name here. I'm going to put Andy in there, and then you can also set your location. If you want a location set, like a base location, you can just click that. And then the important bit is obviously setting your radio settings. So you can set what radio settings you need to for your area. I'm going to hit EU UK narrow. You can also set a default pin as well. So if you want to set something that you can remember each time easily, then you don't have to look at the screen every time. And then basically just hit save settings, and that will update the device, finish setup, and you're good to go. So that is the easiest way to get your MeshCore device set up now. And once you've done that, it's now ready to be used with the MeshCore or MeshOS apps. In the next video, we'll talk about the apps. Meanwhile, give the configurator a go. Let me know how you get on, and I'll be improving it as more people use it. Catch you next time, guys.